This guy.
I'm gonna wear this all the way to Tennessee.
Can you hurry up, please? What are you wearing? You can't wear that all the way to Tennessee.
Who said I can't?
Let's go. So how do we want to reveal this? Like, what do we want to say? Do you want to just rip the Band-Aid off?
No, no, no. I want you guys to like put a Band-Aid over me. And I'm gonna turn around and be like, oh my God.
No, I'm not talking about you.
Oh.
I'm talking about to the public.
Oh.
This is why you break trailer mirrors all the time.
No, this is why you live in Texas.
For the wide roads?
Bro, like, come on.
It's construction, man.
Like, how the fuck am I supposed to drive?
They obviously know it's a problem. They're trying to make it wider.
Garbage, bro.
So back to the story that what we're doing out here out of Texas in Arkansas. We're picking up a truck, a new vehicle, a new fleet car, a new race truck.
No, it's a street truck, bro.
Whatever.
It's my new daily. It's my new daily.
Yeah.
It's my new daily.
Okay, sure. Anyways,
it's my daily.
Picking it up. Do you want to tell them what it is? Do you want to tell them the plan? Do you want to? I
don't even know the fucking year of the S10. It's an S10, but I don't know what year it is. And I purchased this.
I'm not surprised.
I want to say a good year ago.
Considering you didn't build it.
I didn't build it. My money did.
Alright, so basically, if you don't know the story, if you don't follow Andy on Instagram,
which is probably highly,
the rat rod was put into pasture.
AKA my garage.
A while ago, when I beat it, I basically retired it.
That's not true.
And
it blew the transmission one. I already
that weekend. He decided enough was enough. He parked
you're
it.
Such full of shit.
He parked it.
You're as bad as
said,
CNN.
I can't ever beat the bullet with this setup. I gotta figure something else out. So he got online, tippy tappy the keyboard. Next thing you know, he's buying some drag truck that he got talked to.
It's not a drag truck, bro. It was a frame off restoration, actually.
So
I told him in the last video I was gonna have a truck coming up. It was a full frame off restoration.
That's right. So yeah, so basically that's what happened. The rat rod.
He got too fast for his pants.
It could only go so far. It can only go so fast safely. So then, in order to evolve to the next step and get a little faster, we needed a change. So that's what ended up happening. We found a different vehicle, a different truck, because Andy's into trucks, and started building it from scratch. And it's turned out to be quite the build. So that's the plan. We're on our way now. We're almost there. New truck incoming.
Yeah.
First, we got to figure out if we're going to be able to get there, because this guy driving, it's not.
Bro, I've been driving since 3:30 this morning, kid.
Not very good at following directions.
I wouldn't know where the fuck I'm going without following me to that right now. I would be so.
So there she is, the new project in Andy's house. the Red Rod has taken a seat back to this new, we don't even have a name for it yet. So if you can think of a name, leave it down below, or even a color, because it's not gonna stay purple. But yep, so far, wow, what a machine. What do you think so far?
Looks good.
Yeah?
Looks real good. Yeah.
Big shout out to this guy, Josh from Legion Metal.
Tennessee.
Great job on the truck, bro. Great job. What was tell me a little bit of what it was like working with Andy, especially over the phone.
And he's the best customer in the world.
Bullshit, you said I was the worst one.
What I say to the camera and what I say to your face are two different things. At least I said the worst news to his face, though.
You have an Instagram, right?
I do, yep. It's at Legion Metal _LLC.
LLC, so we'll post that up here in the link as well.
Photos.
Yeah, feel free to give him a follow. But yeah, great job on the truck. Andy's been, of course, just like you, he calls me just about every single day. Every time he sends me a new picture, I'm like, bro, how many times do I have to see the same bar being welded? He sent me like 10 pictures. He calls me right after he sends me the picture just to talk about the picture.
I do the same shit to him.
But the truck looks great.
It's been through many iterations. I would say that's probably just the most difficult part of this.
Yeah.
It went from a 6.2 liter LT drive around to like an SCCA road race to I want to beat the Bullet. About a week ago he said I want to beat the Bullet. And I said, man, the truck's done. and I said, well, how fast does he run? He was like, well, I think like 7.6. And I was like,
you already lost that race before it started.
That's a little difficult right now. It should be a screamer. All stock suspension, and so we shouldn't have any problems class racing.
Yeah, especially the classes that, the leaf sprint classes that we want to race in. That's all street style type of class. It's going to be competitive.
Full chassis from front to back. It's got the stock frame, so there won't be any issue.
Yeah.
You know, is it 12 inches before the firewall, 18 inches? It's all stock frame.
Yeah.
And off the shelf tube front end and stuff like that. So
the only thing you're lacking is some power. The chassis is there, that's for sure. We just need some power now, and then we got ourselves an iRide, man.
I heard the Bullet motor maybe for sale. So.
Yeah.
Is it something before 27?
Yeah. Cool. Yeah, great job, dude.
It looks fucking.
It looks great. It looks great for sure. The extra detail to going and making the man some cup holders. The difference between quality and everybody else, right?
Customer satisfaction, that's what it's called.
Every customer is different.
Yeah, this customer just happened to want to go fast.
Next customer comes
while
in,
holding a tall boy.
Because the last one wanted it.
I would never.
But they're for sweet tea.
Okay, yeah.
Sweet tea.
Long Island sweet tea.
There are definitely a lot of sacrifices made to save weight in places that normally wouldn't be. You know, we went titanium exhaust.
That's not terrible.
Yeah.
But we put a Yeti cooler in the back.
Yeah.
Because he needed cold beer. So you got to make some sacrifices sometimes.
Yep. I fully agree on that.
He was like, man, how light is it going to be? 2,700. I said, no way. Not with all this stuff. He like has to have full doors, all steel, full doors, nothing cut out of them.
Yeah.
No rattle traps.
I think it's probably sitting a little too low.
Yeah.
I would definitely, like you said, definitely raise the front a little bit.
I would too, but that was, customer override button was hit on that. As well as everything else on the truck.
He wants it slammed.
He said, I want it lower, so it's going lower.
So that's it. That's the project right here. We got, like I said, we got a lot of work ahead of us. We got to take it back apart so Andy can paint it. We got to powder coat some parts, do some wiring on it before it even gets race ready, and then we can make some power, get this thing to a track, and start dialing in some suspension. Andy's super eager. I see a lot of drive in him right now, which is good. It's good for content, and it's good for me personally, because I get to actually enjoy the fruits of the labor a little bit as well. So that's it. Leave your comment if you got a name for this thing. We don't even have a name or a color, because you're not gonna leave it purple, right? We're gonna change it up.
No, not purple.
Okay, so yeah.
I don't know.
Leave a comment if you have an opinion on a color. I'm thinking gray, like a metallic cyber gray or something like that. But we'll have to see what Andy thinks. But yeah, a lot of fun times ahead for sure. Fun times ahead. Luckily, it does clear the trailer with the front bumper on it. It's sitting really low in the front. I think we need to raise it up a little. He still has to buy front suspension stuff on it, but check out that titanium exhaust.
You're gonna have to blow it like right back apart.
I am loving it. I really want to get some titanium exhaust for the Bullet. Yeah.